In this video I will be discussing about the popular mechanical CAD and FEA softwares and listing out the rankings based on the industry demand. Every mechanical engineer is expected to have a good grip on designing. They use it heavily in most of the fields like automobile engineering, aerospace engineering, tool design, etc. Also, with the advancement of rapid prototyping and 3D printing, they are becoming more visible to the outer world as one can see how exactly your product looks like in just a few hours. Choosing the right CAD software to learn is a difficult. After all, there are more than 20 CAD software in the design market. The answer to this question can be different based on your requirements. People who are into structural analysis, aerodynamics, or fluid dynamics should have an idea about these. It is particularly useful for students participating in competitions like SAE Baja as it helps in deciding the shape of the members, the stresses on them, impact of collision, etc. First I will be discussing about the CAD softwares. The popular CAD softwares are CATIA, Solidworks, Siemens, Creo, AutoCAD. Solidworks is a general-purpose CAD software with a user-friendly interface, for making parts in 2D and 3D. Solidworks is a 3D mechanical computer-aided design program or application software that runs on Microsoft Windows. It is a student's favorite software as it is mostly used in universities. Major key points about the software are: it is a mid-level CAD package and taken a large share in the CAD market. SolidWorks is mostly used for 3D modeling and not used for surface modeling. Product rendering feature in SolidWorks is best. CATIA stands for Computer-Aided Three-Dimensional Interactive Application. It is a multi-platform CAD/CAM CAE commercial software suite that is developed by the French company Dassault Systems. CATIA enables the creation of 3D parts, from 3D sketches, sheet metal, composites, molded, forged or tooling parts up to the definition of mechanical assemblies. Most of the aerospace companies use the CATIA softwares for designing their aircrafts. It is mostly used for surface modeling and it is aimed for high-end CAD market, while SolidWorks from Dassault Systems is aimed for mid-level CAD market. Creo is a improved dedicated concept development toolset and has greater power and more flexibility to help accelerate the product design and development process. Creo is used mostly for sheet metal designing and 2D drawing purposes. Creo has the best assembly module and capable of generating more complicated parts. AutoCAD is the 2D drafting tool used by most of the companies, even though its 3D modeling capabilities are old-fashioned. AutoCAD has a user-friendly interface and includes many tools to design complex parts in 2D. Create, edit polylines, curve cutting and many more commands are there that you use in AutoCAD. Based on the LinkedIn survey we can see the number of vacancies for the particular software worldwide. And based upon the number of vacancies for the particular software I have given the ranking, and it is seen clearly that SolidWorks and AutoCAD ranks first with the no competitors nearby. The reason for the first place for AutoCAD and SolidWorks is due to the large market share for these softwares worldwide in CAD market. If you want to master your concept for computer-aided engineering or finite element analysis, then the tools that will come handy are HyperMesh, ansa, ansys Workbench, Radios, dyna. While HyperMesh and ansa are used for meshing, ansys Workbench, dyna, abaqus, Nastran are used as a solver. All these tools are widely used in the automotive industry and aerospace industry. Ansys is best for beginners starting in FEM domain and a complete finite element analysis package. Famous in academic and preferred in energy industry and aerospace industry. Hyperworks is a complete CAE software made by Altair Engineering. It consists all the modules of CAE such as modeling, meshing, solver. It is a complete package of finite element procedure. Pre-processing, solving, and post-processing can be done using Hyperworks. HyperMesh is used by thousands of customers worldwide to generate and manage their models. It supports a wide variety of CAD and solver interfaces, making it a perfect solution for a majority of domains. HyperMesh and ansa are the two mostly used preprocessors in the industry. Regarding opportunities, HyperMesh will be leading since it is cheap and started used from the beginning for most of the industries. But there are many chances that ansa will be leading the market due to its advanced modeling algorithms and reducing human errors and efforts. HyperMesh is used mostly for pre-processing of plastic components and best used for assembly and contact definition. For pre-processing of sheet metal components, ansa is best and produces better quality mesh due to its better AI algorithm. Nastran is a solver used in aerospace industries for simulation of composites and fracture mechanics. Nastran is also used in automotive industry in noise vibration harness analysis domain. dyna is used as a non-linear explicit solver used in crash and impact analysis. Embedded with heap of material models. Abaqus is a solver used for non-linear structural problem. Step-by-step hierarchy is very user-friendly. Better for implicit time integration. Based on the LinkedIn survey, we can see the number of vacancies for the particular software worldwide. And based upon the number of vacancies for the particular software, I have given the ranking. Mechanical engineers require Matlab to analyze problems in basic engineering mechanics, vibrations, control system, statistics, and dynamics of different circuits. Matlab is probably the all-rounder tool for simulations, programming, graphs, measurement and automation and statistics for an engineer. Matlab and Simulink is used for control system modeling and vehicle dynamics, and also in battery modeling for electric vehicles. My final thoughts on CAD and FEA softwares are: choose a tool to learn either based on market demand or based on the particular skill you want to learn which matches your area of interest.